Welcome guys to another adventure of Super Toy. Today we have this Lego Star Wars clock and its name is Stormtrooper. This is for kids 6 and over. This is a very cool clock. This just came from this set. It's all kinds of cool guys. It's all kinds. You see that ninja over there? And there's more. There's Rake. That's R2-D2. That's R2-D2. Over here, right over here. And that's Darth Vader over here. There's this guy. Here's this alligator. Here's that line. Here's Darth Vader again. Here's Cloak. And here's that ninja again. And here's the construction. This is how it looks when it was out in the box. Here's the hand. You can make him sit or do anything. We can make him sit. Let's make him sit. Here's how he sits. Now he's sitting. And this is really cool because this is kind of looks like a toy, but it's a clock. Here's all the buttons from the back. These buttons are for the clock. This is where you put the battery. That's where the batteries is. This is the cover. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time. Please like and subscribe. If you haven't seen Star Wars, let us know.